This is no ordinary octopus. This octopus is extraordinary. Why, you may ask? Well, it is adapted to walk on land. And with these guys that we're seeing here in these little rock pools around the area, they're quite happy travelling between rock pool to rock pool in nature. Here, in the Kimberley region of Western Australia, it's not unusual for there to be huge tidal variations. Extraordinarily high tides are matched by very low tides, which in turn give access to vast intertidal reefs, rock shelves and mudflats. And here, today, as we explore those exposed rock pools, we're coming across these little octopi in their hundreds, just hanging out. Places in the Kimberley are where Australia's largest tides occur. These places can have a tidal range of more than 11 metres as the water recedes back out into the Indian Ocean. And then, it's easy to make friends. Each of the octopus that we've come across are just doing their thing. And when we come along and we observe them, we notice that many of the octopus seem to be just as mobile out of the water as they are in the water. They're walking from pool to pool, hunting. Yeah, I've noticed all the little octopuses have their own personalities. Some of them are quite receptive to having you around them, and we're definitely not trying to interfere with any of nature here. We're just capturing it as it happens. These guys here are incredible shapeshifters, and some of them seem as curious about you as you are about them. And I want to assure you that none of these octopus are doing anything that isn't coming natural to them. Cool. He's a big guy.
He must have been trusting with us then, because he wouldn't have come out otherwise.
These guys can easily alter their skin texture and colour. It's not just these octopuses that get caught out in these rock pools when the tide recedes back into the Indian Ocean. Check out this sea turtle. Even they have to wait for the returning tides. And for the odd one or two, they'll actually find themselves high and dry, which is why on several occasions we've helped a few back into the water. The sea snail you can see here is at least 7 centimetres in length. The natural glossy finish, well, that's down to the snail that's housed within. The snail apparently secretes a pigment, and that's responsible for the unique patterns that are found on the shells. And how beautiful is this cowrie shell? Absolutely spectacular. These guys are just cruising around the exposed reef on these big tides. It's quite incredible the things you can see. Nighttime octopusing. Hey mate, what's going on? Yeah, so just come for a walk down at night time, making friends with the octopuses. Hey mate, how you going? He's just blending in with his surroundings here. It's pretty curious though, because I patted him a couple times and then he was like putting his little suction pads on my fingers, so he's probably wondering what the hell's going on here. Hey, thanks for watching guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Remember to like and subscribe.